again, Eka Mawar Anisatin Korea.
And I am Stephanie Betalisan Anggolan.
On the Saturday, November 16, 2024 edition of
Beyond the Week,
to bring you the latest of and most reliable news which we summarize in Beyond the Week this afternoon. This afternoon, will be discussed an important topic, eco-friendly product innovation that play an important role in reducing the negative impact of plastic waste on the environment.
Thank you, Eka. This topic is increasingly relevant as the impacts of climate change become more apparent. Many companies are now innovating to create products that are more environmentally friendly. We will also feature interviews with consumers on their opinion of the green products. Green product innovation is taking center stage in various industries. It's not only about meeting consumer needs, but also contributing to the preservation of nature. For example, products with biodegradable packaging or renewable energy from organic waste, which can reduce dependence on single-use plastic.
Companies that adopt sustainability principles not only have reduced environmental impact, but also gain a competitive advantage in the market. Of course, the role of management is crucial in driving this change. They must ensure that sustainability strategies are integrated in every aspect of the business.
Do you agree that eco-friendly products should continue to be used?
Yes, I absolutely agree because eco-friendly help protect the environment to conserve natural resources and reduce pollution. That means eco-friendly ensure a healthier planet.
While these innovations are positive, challenges still remain. Eco-friendly products often come at a higher price and are sometimes less practical than conventional products, which make consumers prefer regular products.
However, as awareness of the importance of protecting the planet increases, more and more consumers are choosing to support green products despite the obstacle. This is a step towards a big change for future sustainability.
Do you prefer eco-friendly products even though they are less available or perhaps not as practical as other products? Give your reason.
Yes, although they are not as practical, I prefer green products because I care more about their impact on the environment, especially plastic waste.
Eco-friendly products innovation is not just about trends, but an urgent to amidst the challenges of climate change. Consumer support for these products is crucial to encourage companies to continue innovating.
Every choice we make, no matter how small, can contribute to a better future. By choosing environmentally friendly products, we are doing our part to protect the earth.
That's all the news we can share for today. I am Stephanie Betalisan Anggolan.
And I'm Eka Mawar Anisatin Korea,
the host of Beyond the Week this afternoon, and we will see you on the next week.